In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Excel cannot access the file error. If you're seeing that message when you try to open a spreadsheet, it often means Windows is blocking Excel from reading or writing to the file because of permissions. This can happen after moving a file between folders or drives, downloading it from email, or working from a shared or external location. We're going to adjust the file's permissions so Excel has the access it needs. Start by going to the folder that contains the Excel file that's giving you trouble. It helps to make sure the file isn't currently open in Excel. Once you're in the right folder, find the specific workbook, then right-click it and choose Properties. This opens a window that lets you view and change details about the file. At the top of the Properties window, click the Security tab. This is where Windows manages who is allowed to read, change, or delete the file. If you don't see this tab, you're likely not on Windows, or you may not have the permissions required to change security settings. Next, click the Edit button. You may be prompted by Windows to confirm that you want to make changes. If so, approve the prompt. This moves you into the screen where you can actually modify permissions. Click the Add button. In the box that appears, type everyone exactly as a single word. Then click OK to add that entry. Adding everyone is a quick way to ensure that any user account on this computer can access the file. This is commonly used to troubleshoot access issues, especially when files were created on a different device or downloaded from the internet. Now, click on Everyone in the top list of group or user names so it's highlighted. In the permissions box below, check the Allow box for full control. This enables read, write, and modify permissions, which is typically what Excel needs to open, save, and update the file without errors. If the checkboxes are grayed out, you may need administrator rights to make these changes. Click Apply and then click OK to close the permissions window. Click OK again to close the Properties window. At this point, the file's permissions have been updated, and Excel should be able to access it normally. If you're working on a shared or sensitive system, consider tightening permissions later to only the specific users or groups that need access. But for resolving this error quickly, giving everyone full control on the file is an effective and straightforward fix.